Mariner.
Boimler.
I wanted to thank you. It felt good helping those people. I mean, you might be
Better than you in every single way?
unorthodox, but I can't believe I'm saying it. Starfleet is better with you in it.
Wait, so you didn't tattle on me?
I did not.
Boimler, no way, man. I had you pegged wrong. Yeah, I thought you were like a boring worker drone. And you are. But inside that drone is an ambitious little weasel. And inside that weasel might be a tiny human being.
That's, sort of unfair.
This is a moment, man. Ooh, this is a mood, okay? And I do not care how long it takes. We're going to get your butt in a captain's chair.
This isn't a big deal.
And guess what? I'm your new mentor. Boom, surprise, bitch. It's done. How does it feel?
No, you can't just decide.
Whoa, she's
Come on,
your
guys.
mentor?
Lower
No, she's
decks,
not.
lower
Congrats,
decks,
man.
lower decks.
That's cool.
Teamwork,
No,
spirit,
no,
community.
go away.
Lower decks, lower
No,
decks,
don't
lower
stop
decks.
looking.
You're gonna be my Chadich from now on, baby.
I don't
okay,
want lessons
Klingons,
from
they're
you.
all about fighting. They're always making oaths about everything.
Everyone knows that.
Did you know about Spock? Dude came back from being dead.
Yeah, I think I've heard of
He got
Spock.
freaking Genesis device and fought Khan and some space
Can we
whales.
just go back to not being friends?
How about Sulu? Ooh, he rocked a sword. That was his thing. That could be your thing too. We're due for a new sword
What
guy.
can I do to make this stop, please?
Do you know Kirk?
Yes.
My man Worf?
Yes.
Gary Mitchell?
I'm sure I could look him
You
up.
don't have to because you have a mentor.
No, don't touch
Do you
me.
know Deanna Troy? Her
No,
body
don't
be
touch me.
banging. She went from a jumpsuit